Here is a Russian piping set that I ordered off of Amazon, and I'm going to unbox it here with you to see what comes with the set. This brochure is really practical to give you an idea what the final result will be for each individual tip. I will definitely keep this with my tips. Most importantly are all these tips with the different designs that we are going to test in just a moment. You can see how large these are and how many. Really excited to test these. The set comes with two couplers, which is essentially an adapter that you can add to the piping bag, and then you can swap out the tips without changing the bag. It also contains a non-disposable silicone piping bag as well as 10 disposable plastic bags. And there is also a leaf tip that comes in really handy. These Russian tips are very large and create flowers in one squeeze instead of having to hand pipe each individual petal. Because of the intricate details, you want your consistency to be even thicker than the one that you use for usual piping. Here you can see the couplers I was mentioning. The one that has separate elements that you can add to individual piping bags with separate colors if you want to pipe with 3 different colors simultaneously. Because of the intricate details, you want your consistency to be even thicker than the one that you use for usual piping. If your batter is too soft, the details won't show. If you're interested in a separate video about piping in general, check out the link in the description. It's a good idea to practice and get the feel for the respective tip before piping it directly onto your soap. You can use freezer paper or a baking sheet. Apply good pressure at the beginning and make sure the batter sticks to the bottom, and then lift the tip and release the pressure. If you don't like your piping, you can simply scrape it off and pipe again. Piping leaves is a fun way to add colors and interest to your flowers. It's always a good idea to practice your piping on a freezer paper or baking sheet. Here is one version of a leaf tip. You want to hold the wide opening horizontally. Depending on the amount you squeeze, you can create different shapes of leaves. If you squeeze and let go of the pressure repeatedly, you can create fuller leaves with curves on them. I add some frosting to the bottom layer to make this piping stick better. The same applies for any type of tip that you use. The main point is to make it stick to the bottom and lift it gently to create a design. If the batter is too soft, you won't see the details, and if it's too hard, it won't stick. so it can take a while to get the hang of it. You could also use different Russian piping tips in the same cupcake to create a bouquet, so to speak. In all these examples here, I did add different colors in one piping bag to create a gradient look. You could also just use one color to create a solid look. Some Russian piping tips come with a multi-colored coupler, meaning that the coupler tip is divided in parts and each one can be introduced to a separate piping bag and filled with different colors and then joined together to add the tip you want to use. I like to keep all my piping material in one box, and I love see-through boxes in general. This way I can see at one glance what I have and what I'm missing. Here are the Russian piping tips, couplers, my go-to tips, a piping block, flower nails in different sizes, and I also keep the little pre-cut baking sheet squares when I want to hand pipe flowers. If you are interested in other soap making related videos, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye!